Hey everyone, welcome to the Seeds of Wisdom Team channel, your guide to navigating the exciting world of global currency resets and achieving financial freedom. Today we're diving into the RV, or revaluation process. Think of it as a roadmap to a destination where currencies find their true value. This is about understanding the shifts happening in our global economy and how you can be prepared for a brighter financial future. We'll break down each milestone, explain what to look out for, and most importantly, what actionable steps you can take right now. So, buckle up and let's get started on this journey together.
All right, before we hit the gas, we need to make sure we've got the right knowledge in the driver's seat. Preparation is key to any successful journey. Just like you wouldn't drive across the country without a map, you shouldn't navigate the financial landscape without proper understanding. Understanding the currencies involved in this RV is crucial. It's like knowing the terrain before you set out. We're talking about currencies like the Iraqi dinar, the Vietnamese dong, and the Zimbabwean dollar. Each has its own unique story and potential. These currencies have the potential to revalue significantly, which could lead to substantial financial gains. And that's where things get interesting. The excitement comes from the possibility of these currencies appreciating in value. But remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Dive deep into research, take notes, and plan your moves carefully. This preparation can make all the difference. Now, this revaluation isn't happening in a vacuum. It's part of a much bigger picture, a global financial shift that's reshaping economies. It's all part of a much bigger picture, a global financial shift. This shift is influencing markets and economies worldwide. You've probably heard of the Brics nations: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These countries are becoming major players on the global stage. They're gaining major influence on the world stage, challenging the traditional financial powers, and are pushing for a more multipolar financial system. This means a shift away from the dominance of the US dollar. This means moving away from the dominance of the US dollar, which has been the cornerstone of global finance for decades. And that has huge implications for the global economy. The ripple effects of this shift could be profound. So, what can you do to prepare? Start by educating yourself and staying informed. Start by researching these currencies. Understand their histories, current status, and future potential. Look into the history of the Iraqi dinar, its past fluctuations, and what experts are predicting. The economic reforms happening in Vietnam and how these changes could impact the Vietnamese dong, and the potential of the Zimbabwean dollar. Despite its turbulent past, it holds promise for the future. Connect with communities like the Seeds of Wisdom team, where you can learn from others, share information, and stay up to date on all the latest developments. Networking with like-minded individuals can provide valuable insights. Stay up to date on all the latest developments. Regularly check financial news and updates to stay informed.
Our first major milestone on this journey is the Global Currency Reset, or GCR for short. This concept has been gaining traction in financial circles and among global economists. The GCR is essentially a global financial realignment. It aims to address the imbalances in the current financial system and create a more equitable economic landscape. Remember those Brics nations we talked about? They're leading the charge here, working to establish a new global reserve currency backed by assets like gold and other commodities. This move is seen as a way to reduce dependency on the US dollar. This is a big deal because it challenges the current system where the US dollar reigns supreme. The dominance of the dollar has long been a cornerstone of global finance. When this new system rolls out, we can expect to see major shifts in currency valuations. These changes could have far-reaching implications for international trade and investment. Currencies that have been undervalued, like the Iraqi dinar, could see significant increases in value. This could lead to new opportunities for investors and economies alike. But here's the thing, the timing of the GCR is still uncertain. Experts have been debating when and how this reset will take place. It's a complex process with a lot of moving parts, and geopolitical events can definitely impact the timeline. Factors such as international relations, economic policies, and even natural disasters can play a role. So what can you do? Keep a close eye on geopolitical developments, especially anything related to the Brics nations and their efforts to de-dollarize the global economy. Staying informed will be crucial as this situation evolves. Now, as with any road trip, we're bound to hit a few detours along the way. And in the world of global finance, those detours often come in the form of bond market volatility and geopolitical tensions. Think of bond markets as the pulse of the global economy. They reflect investor confidence and can signal potential economic slowdowns or growth spurts. When bond yields rise, it usually means investors are demanding higher returns, which can impact currency values. Geopolitical events like trade wars, political instability, or even pandemics can also throw a wrench in the works. These events can create uncertainty in the markets and cause currencies to fluctuate. Remember, the financial world is interconnected. So, how do you navigate these potential detours? Start by staying informed about global bond market trends, especially in emerging economies. Pay attention to news about inflation rates, interest rates, and government debt levels.
Chapter 4. Checkpoint Central Bank Updates. As we continue our RV journey, we need to make sure we're paying attention to the road signs. These signs guide us and ensure we stay on the right path, avoiding any potential pitfalls. And in this case, those road signs are the announcements and updates from major central banks around the world. These updates are crucial as they provide insights into the economic health and future direction of different countries. Think of central banks like the traffic controllers of the global financial system. They guide the flow of money, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. They set monetary policy, manage currency reserves, and play a crucial role in ensuring financial stability. Without their guidance, the financial system could face significant turbulence. When it comes to the RV, the Central Bank of Iraq, or CBI, is a key player to watch. Their policies and decisions can greatly influence the value and stability of the Iraqi dinar. They're responsible for managing the Iraqi dinar, and their decisions regarding exchange rates, currency revaluations, and monetary policy will have a big impact on the RV timeline. Keeping an eye on their announcements can provide valuable insights, but it's not just about the CBI. The global financial landscape is interconnected, and decisions made by other central banks can also have ripple effects. Keep an eye on other major central banks like the People's Bank of China, which plays a significant role in the global economy. The Reserve Bank of India, which influences one of the world's fastest growing economies, and the European Central Bank, which is pivotal for the Eurozone's economic stability. Pay attention to announcements about currency revaluations, changes in monetary policy, and any updates on international trade agreements. These factors collectively shape the financial environment and can impact our journey significantly.
Now, let's take a little rest stop at one of the most fascinating and potentially game-changing developments on our RV journey, the quantum financial system, or QFS. The QFS is more than just a technological upgrade. It's a completely new financial architecture designed to revolutionize how we think about and interact with money. Imagine a system where transactions are instantaneous, transparent, and virtually impossible to hack. That's the promise of the QFS. It leverages the power of quantum computing to create a secure, efficient, and equitable financial system for the world. Now, the rollout of the QFS is still in its early stages, but it's something to keep a close eye on. As the QFS is implemented, we can expect to see major changes in the way banks operate, currencies are traded, and financial transactions are conducted.
As we approach our destination, we're going to encounter a few toll booths along the way. In the world of finance, those toll booths are the exchange rates and market indicators that can fluctuate wildly in anticipation of major events like the RV. Now, exchange rates are constantly in flux, but when a currency is about to revalue, you can expect to see some significant movements. The Iraqi dinar, for example, might start trading at a much higher rate against the US dollar as the market anticipates the RV. Keep a close eye on other financial indicators like gold and silver prices, oil prices, and the performance of stock markets around the world. These indicators can provide valuable clues about the overall health of the global economy and the potential impact of the RV.
We're in the final stretch now, folks. This is where the rubber meets the road, and all our preparation pays off. The RV has finally happened, and currencies around the world are resetting to their true values. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the opportunity to exchange your Iraqi dinar, Vietnamese dong, or other currencies at the new, higher rates. But before you rush out to exchange your currency, it's crucial to have a plan. First things first, make sure you're exchanging your currency through authorized and reputable channels. There will likely be a lot of misinformation and scams circulating, so do your research and work with trusted sources. The RV isn't just about personal financial gain, it's about creating a better world for everyone. And finally, don't forget to share your knowledge and experience with others.
Congratulations! Use the planning tips from seedsofwisdomteam.com website and on YouTube. We've reached the end of our RV roadmap journey. I hope you found this overview helpful and feel more equipped to navigate the exciting road ahead. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, and check out the links in the description for additional resources. Until next time, stay informed, stay positive, and keep striving for a brighter financial future.